Hi, this is Shandra, and today I'm just going to unbox the Reizen Talking Label Wand. I have another video where I show how to use this wand in depth and demonstrated using it, but this comes with 160 round tactile labels and 72 regular washable labels. And I just recently got this and I thought it was without the labels. I thought, how did this all fit in there? All right, so we've got the wand here wrapped in bubble wrap. So there you can see, here's the wand itself. I don't know what that is. A little plastic bag with a couple of button covers, I think. Oh, here's those 172 tactile buttons. So you can see they're in a circle and they've got little ridges around the edges. So those definitely are tactile. Here's some long tactile labels. So they're longer and they've got the circle on the end with the bumps around them. Headphones, so that you can listen to your labels without everybody there having to hear it. And then here's the instructions and empty box. So I don't know how these labels came up on the video. Let me pull one out, see if it'll show a little bit better. So you can see these are really thin, nice thin sheet of paper, and there's bumps just around the top edge so that you could find your label, so that as you're trying to place the wand to have it play out loud, you could feel the ridges and then place your wand there. So you can check out my other video on how, watching this in action. Cost, of course, is about $90 to $150 depending on where you buy it from. And this is primarily used for people with visual impairments for labeling things like medicines, packages, things in the pantry. You get 232 total labels, unlimited recording for each label. 2 gigs built-in memory for up to 250 hours of recording time. So you might use this for clothing identification with the washing labels. You might use this for, if you got 5 remotes that all feel the same, you could label your remotes. You can label things in the cabinets. Files, yeah, you can label files and important paperwork and things like that. So sky's the limit. There you go. That's what you get in the box.